It's time for Show Off Sunday, where everyone has a chance to show off their own car, and here's this week's winner.
Rev up your engines! Hello everybody from the Scotty Kilmer show. This is my 1963 Volkswagen Beetle. A lot of people tell me, hey man, when are you gonna paint your car? Guess what? I'm not painting this car. It does get uglier, we'll just let it keep on getting uglier. I don't really care. I love it the way it looks. Got a 2332cc engine packed with power.
What is this which stands before me? The kind of love.
It's got a short gear transaxle with full Weddle gears.
She will always be my woman.
Spring plate retainers to help with wheel hop and stuff like that in the rear end. I get oil every race from this guys at LAT Racing Oils, great stuff. And then I have AA Performance products out of La Fuente, California. The beauty of this car is that it's not too flashy, so it's kind of like nobody really expects it to run as hard as it does, but when it does, then they're like, oh, holy shit, that fucking ugly ass car just took me out.
She will always
50 Shades of Summer on this paint job. This is a special paint job that you can only acquire if you leave your car sit on the sun and get f***ed up every year. I got a short throw shifter with a wide band and a couple gauges that just tell me that everything's running alright. It's got a Porsche 912 speedometer. Actually, the engine bay is pretty simple. I got these two clips right here. And the stock latch that still works. And that's it. Out. Fully polished and powder coated, fully detailed engine. Got a stainless steel header. Aluminum block, aluminum 75 amp alternator, small pulleys, vintage speed linkage. Almost every single nut and bolt is either stainless steel or hardened. Baby. They say you can't polish a turd. Bullshit. Watch me.
David Ruiz's 1963 street car. Got plenty of power. Got a motor that's 2 liters. Got a super secret sauce cam. Sporting some alloys, some gears power right there, a little bit of empty. Running 91 pump gas, pretty quick, gets the job done.
The real street class consists of Southern California VW guys that have full street car. None of the race car stuff, just a normal street car with DOT tires, 91 octane, all motor, on carburetors, old school, just like the cat look from back in the day.
that was this week's video, and remember, to have your car video highlighted here on my channel, check this out! So if you never want to miss another one of my new car repair videos, remember to ring that bell!